Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of cost category and cost center. So first I am going to explain the what is meant by cost. Cost, it is a amount of the expenditure incurred by actual or notional. Okay, it's a amount of the expenditure incurred by actual or notional. Okay, so here we have to create cost category and cost center. First I have to activate the cost category and cost center. So first I will open the Tally software. Here already KJ and company is created. So first activate. Here you have to go to the accounts info. See here cost category and cost center is not there. So first activation, we have to go to the F11 features, accounting features. In F11 feature there are three types of features are there: accounting feature, inventory feature and statutory and taxation. Accounting feature is only for accounting transactions, inventory feature is for stock, and statutory taxation is related to GST, TDS, TCS and all. So first I will go to the accounting feature, enter. Here you will get maintain cost center, yes. Maintain more than one payroll or one cost category, yes. First we have to activate these two things. One is for maintain cost center, yes. Another one, maintain more than one payroll or one cost category, yes. Okay, now you can save it. Here accept is coming now. So your whatever the activation steps done. Okay, you come back. Here cost category and cost center is activated. So first I have to create the cost category. Here you are finding single cost category and multiple cost category. First I am going to explain in the single cost category create. See, category means we have to create those items which items are to be comes under one head. See, for example, I will give only the head like cell phone, soft drinks, electronic items, finance, like that. Means whatever those items which is comes under one main head. See, for example, cell phone. Allocate revenue items as, non-revenue items no. Cell phone. Next, soft drink. You can take electronic items. Next, you can take finance. I am taking only the general item. As per your convenience, you can take those items. Okay, now I created all the category. Now if you want to see in the multiple display, you can check in the multiple display. You can see cell phone, electronic item, finance and soft drink. And this primary cost category, it will come automatically, means it will come by default. Okay, so this is the creation of cost category. Okay, now if you want to alter, select it. Which one you want to alter. See, for example, here cell phone is there. Instead of cell phone I will give mobile phone. So you can go to single alter and select it, mobile phone, enter. So you altered. Now if you want to check whether it is altered or not, here it's already changed as mobile phone. Okay, if you want to delete, select it, alt, single alter. Which one you want to delete? For example, I am going to delete mobile phone, Alt D. Okay, so Alt C for creation and Alt D for deletion. Okay, so this is the creation of cost category, alteration and deletion. Okay, now whatever the categories I have done, for those items I will give the centers. See, for example, I created soft drink, finance and electronic items. I will give the sub items, like in the soft drinks, whatever the soft drinks will come, like Maaza, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, Limca, all the items I will create in the cost centers. See, I am explaining simultaneously. Cost center, create, single create. See, first I am selecting in the category list, I am selecting the soft drink. Soft drink, whatever the soft drinks will come, you can take Coca-Cola. Next, you can take Pepsi. You can take Maaza. You can take Limca. Okay, now I want to change the category. So you have to go to the up arrow, space bar. Okay, now you will get the electronic item. Electronic item in the sense you can take TV, cell phone, washing machine, Okay, fan. So these are all the centers. Now again I will change one more item as a finance. Now finance. In that finance, whatever the sub items will come, you can take accountants. Accountant. Next you can take accounts manager. You can take a senior accountant. You can take accounts head. Okay, now whatever the items we have done, all the item you can see in the multiple display. So you can go to multiple cost center, double enter, you will get category and cost center. Here one category, one center. The center name should not be repeated. Okay, see here category can repeat, finance almost 4 times repeated, soft drink also same thing, and electronic item also same thing, but the center should not be repeated. So this is the way for creation of cost category and cost center. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it, comment it and subscribe it. Thank you.